Turn the camera on.
Okay, so we're ready. We're ready to go.
Good. Everything recording, Danya?
Yes, everything's recording.
Go ahead, Nancy.
Okay.
And action.
Hi everyone, I'm Nancy Quinn. Summer has finally come to the mountain. If you've seen some of my earlier social media posts, you know that we got pretty desperate and we ended up barbecuing in the snow. We don't have to do that now, and to celebrate, we're putting together a new charcoal smoker. And it's a Legacy charcoal grill. So we're going to get started and put it together, and today I'm also going to be sharing my recipe for the dry rub that we put on the smoked chickens. That was actually a special request. I'm really glad that we have some extra help today. Our nephew from Florida, Malloy, our future highway patrolman, is here, and he's going to be helping us put together this grill.
Hi, I'm Pete Malloy. Nice to meet you.
This says Direcciones Manuel del Usuario.
Oh no! Can we even get it out of the box? I think we have to be smarter than the box. Oh, be careful. I can't wait to start using this. There are so many great features about it. I love the fact that the grill and the smoker are combined instead of the two pieces we used to have. I love the warming tray up here on top. The fact that I can load the coals in the front and I can raise the heat. It's a tray that raises up. You can even clean it by pulling that out. So I love it. And the next step that we're going to do is to go into the kitchen, and we're going to start working on that recipe for the dry rub for the chickens. So I'll see you in there. So it's time to make our dry rub. Now overnight I did brine the chickens. I used a tablespoon of table salt per 1 cup of water, and I filled a big stock pot and I let the chickens soak in it overnight. Now I've gently dried them, and we're going to get ready to make the rub. We're going to need a tablespoon of granulated onion, a tablespoon of the McCormick brand Mojito Lime. This is also a McCormick brand, and I need 1 tablespoon of the Smokehouse Maple. A tablespoon of granulated garlic, a 1/4 of a teaspoon of cinnamon. It's going to give it a little bit of a sweeter flavor, which I tend to like. And the last ingredient is a 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika. And you can find all of these things in your grocery store, and it's really easy to put together. So let's just stir it up real quick and get it mixed. There, I think that looks pretty good. Now we're going to put it on the chickens. I do have about, I would say a tablespoon or so of olive oil per chicken. I forgot something. I know most people do the rub with their hands, but honestly, I just like to wear a little pair of gloves. And that's just me. You don't have to do this part. Okay, so let's get a little bit of olive oil. Like I said, roughly a tablespoon or so. And this helps your dry rub stick. It also is going to form a really nice coating, and once the rub is on, as it's smoking and grilling, you're going to get a lovely crust on it, and it'll help keep it moist too. So let's sprinkle, I would say roughly half of what's in our bowl here. And then we're just going to gently push it around. It's going to stick to the olive oil. And you see what a nice crust we're getting. And just spread it all over the chicken, kind of like a chicken massage. There, I think that looks pretty good. Might add a tad more here. So this will do 2 small chickens. And of course you can always double the recipe and make some more. I often make a larger jar of it and just keep it on hand since it's dry, and once it's mixed, it'll be fine. Okay, I think that this is ready to go on the grill. So we will get smoking and then we'll check on it in a little while. Well, the chickens are off the grill, and I really hope you decide to try this recipe. They turned out great, and I'm going to keep my remarks really short because everybody wants to dive in and get some of this chicken. And I promise you, I think tonight we're going to have a lot of full tummies. So we'll see you next time.